If you want designer finishes and downtown views, then the Ivanhoe on Mesa is the development for you. I'm Tyler Drinkwater and welcome back to my channel. I appreciate you stopping by. If this is your first time here, I am a local Los Angeles real estate agent and we are standing in a beautiful small lot subdivision here in Silver Lake. We are a stone's throw away from some of the best restaurants, shops, bars, coffee shops, you name it, in Los Angeles on the east side, whether it's in Atwater, Silver Lake, Echo Park, or Los Feliz, they are all around us and just moments away. I would love to take you on a tour of the home I'm standing in. It is the last one in this 5-unit subdivision. We are standing in a 3-bed, 3.5 bath, 2,396 square foot small lot. This is built by Stanley Hills, the same developer that I toured in my other project, Virgil Green. They build exquisite, luxury, designer level home that stand out amongst the competition. Let's go take a tour. Let's start the tour on the ground level. Here you will find direct access to your 2-car garage, as well as the first of 3 ensuite bedrooms. This one I see more of as an office, though we do have it staged as a bedroom. I love the big window here. Yes, it's facing that center courtyard, but it is private. This is just the access to the garages for the residents of this complex. Here we have probably a full-size bed, dresser. You got the 2 nightstands, and then Stanley Hills does love to do these custom closets. I think this is incredible. It's such an efficient use of space. And then here in the middle unit, you'll find some drawers, as well as the shoe storage down below, and plenty of hanging space. Through the walnut door, you'll see the walnut clad floating vanity, as well as this beautiful walk-in shower, perfect for guests, perfect for a home office, home gym, whatever you can think of. Head on up to the 2nd level here at the Ivanhoe on Mesa. This is the living level. Unlike at Virgil Green, where the 3rd level is a living level, you have your entertaining, dining, and cooking space on the 2nd level. At the top of the stairs, you have your dining area. Here we have it set up with a 6-piece table, which you could easily, as you can see, fit plenty more seats and a larger table. We have a sort of study space with these beautiful floor to almost ceiling windows, and then this perfectly positioned balcony, which is about southwest facing. I love the bamboo treatment outside. It is so serene. You have a large corner sectional, and then look at this view with the open shelving. I love the lighting accent on it. This has that walnut cabinetry, quartz countertops, super low maintenance, super easy to take care of. And then let's talk appliances. This is my favorite brand. This is the 5-burner Bertazzoni gas. Get it while it lasts, because it's not gonna be here forever. Range with the stainless steel hood and the matching Bertazzoni fridge. Personally, as someone who loves to cook, I am a fan of a gas range, but with the way things are going, it doesn't seem like we're gonna have them in new construction much longer. What do you think? Drop a comment and let me know. Are you a gas, electric, or induction fan? All right, here we go up to the 3rd level. This is the main bedroom level. On one side of the home, you'll have the secondary suite, and on the other, the primary suite. Both feature walk-in closets and exquisite bathrooms. Secondary suite is north facing with these almost floor to ceiling windows. Plenty of space, obviously the big 9-drawer dresser, king-size bed, 2 nightstands, and then look at the build out on this walk-in closet. Stanley Hills goes all out when it comes to the closets, especially at this level. And then tucked behind the door to the bedroom, you have beautiful, huge walk-in shower with this bench and this gorgeous, very large floating island. The primary gets the southern exposure, plenty of space here, king-size bed, 2 nightstands, the plant, And then look at the size of this closet. Again, a very large custom walk-in. Primary bathroom has the walnut double floating vanity. I love these mirrors. This huge shower stall, and then look at this serene window in front of the soaking tub. Privacy, no one looking in. You get to stare at that beautiful rustling bamboo. From the primary, you do get a peekaboo view of the downtown skyline, but I am headed up to where everyone will be spending time when you live here, the roof deck. Let's check it out. Private roof deck with endless options. We've got 2 chairs over here. You've got more space coming around this way. We're not even doing anything with it. That is north view. This is the east view. And then we're looking south back over that dining table, huge outdoor sectional. And then this incredible western view. And you even get the downtown skyline and the reservoir. Finishes in this home are magnificent. I love the light color engineered hardwood floors, the walnut cabinetry, the super low maintenance and highly durable quartz countertops, and then obviously you have my favorite appliance package, the Bertazzoni gas range and fridge, dishwasher, all of it. You have everything. If you were looking for a home of this size in this neighborhood that was a single family home by itself on a lot, you would be paying significantly more for it than the $2 million that this home is asking for. It's why I really love small lot subdivisions. A great jumping off point from more than a condo, more than a townhouse, because you have the separation between you and the other units, but not quite a single family home. I think they're a wonderful new trend. And if you are looking to tour this unit, our other project at Virgil Green, which has a link right here, you can check out the video to those units, or any other property in Los Angeles. I am here to help you find a home. My information is right here as well as in the description. This project is listed by Michael Drucker with Douglas Elliman. He and I are co-listing the Virgil Green properties. If you are looking for more information on the possibility of building a small lot subdivision, how to build a small lot subdivision, or another type of development project, we are here to help you answer those questions as well. I appreciate your time, and I look forward to seeing you at the next video.